Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our ashtray slide rail set for the 92 to 97 trucks and the 92 to 96 Broncos. Each kit comes with a pair of slide rails and all the mounting hardware that you will need to restore one ashtray to smooth, factory fresh operation. Whether your ashtray is sticking or won't stay closed, or it just feels loose, this set will restore that solid feel and keep it securely in place. With multiple mounting holes, this set fits both the early and late style ashtrays, so you're covered no matter which version you have. Early style brackets were riveted, meaning you will need to drill or cut out the old rivets during the swap, while later models use guides that simply clip into a square center hole. Each rail is molded from high-quality modern plastics for long-lasting durability, built to handle years of use. So if you're restoring your dash or just want that ashtray to glide smoothly and close securely again, this kit is an easy, reliable fix. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok.